Hey guys, it's me Ivy. Sorry it's been a couple days or so. Tuesdays I'm not filming because of my volunteer job. I get tired when I come home, I take a nap, all that stuff. And the next day I might have some energy but not feeling it. So just bear with me. But today I'm going to do my Birchbox because I got it yesterday. So let's get started. So this is my Birchbox. There's a backstory that I'm gonna tell before I show you what I got in my Birchbox. So no hate on Birchbox, but I'm kind of disappointed. Not telling me when I'm getting my Birchbox. Not when, but when it's coming in the mail. Because they usually do that. Second, some reason it wasn't updating on where my box was. It was still saying it was in New York on August 3rd until the 16th. It finally updated, telling me that it was in Washington. I'm just going to say that. Washington. And then it was saying that it was in some part of Washington that's close to me. And then yesterday I checked my phone or whatnot. It's telling me that it was arriving here. So it's like, what happened between New York and... yeah. So anyways, I'm going to try Birchbox and, still do it. But if they screw up, I'm done. So, yeah. Anyways, let's check out this box. So, I got 5 items. I think I was supposed to get 6, supposed to get bonus, but I'm not mad about that. Anyways, so it's, of course, summer. Yay. These are my items here, as you want to see. So, let's get started. So the first thing is this, and I tried this product in a clay mask. So it's the same product but different thing. But this is the grapefruit face cleanser. Just that. And it smells good. I didn't use it, but I smelled it. It smells good. But the full size is $36. Let's see. It helps hydrate. That's nice. And all the goodness of this stuff. So that's that. I don't know how to put it there. Okay, next is this Kula. Is that how you say it? But this is the organic BB Plus cream with PF 30 and the color is golden. It's just this. I tried their classic primer that I got in Birchbox. Fabulous. So, this is the right skin color for me, especially in the summer, because I do get a little darker, kind of this color, kind of, like medium tan kind of thing. But this is a good, right color, so I'm going to try this out. Let's see, it helps hydrate skin with rose something serum, cells with blah, 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 while adding a touch of shimmer color. So yeah, it helps with good stuff. So that's that. Ow. Next is eye mask. I have tried a eye mask a long time ago. But this is this. Sorry, I'm trying to read and I'll show you this. Multiple task eye serum mask. And the BB Plus cream. And full size is $52. I forgot to say that. But this is full size is $35. Let's see. It has aloe extract, vitamin B3, and something else. Under eyes, fine lines, dark circles, puffiness. Remove after 10 minutes. So I'm gonna try this out. Just this. So yeah, I don't mind doing these. I miss doing them. Next item. Let's see. I'm using these two. Okay. So next item is a lipstick queen. That's the brand. It's a lip liner in natural. Full size is 18. It's smooth, waterproof formula. Also acts as a great base to boost wear of other lip color. Sorry, I'm still nasally. So that's the color right there. I'm not gonna use this because I don't use lip liners, but I will get this for my sister. So yeah, I do share products. I have done that for Christmas time. Last is this brand that I also got with other stuff, and so yeah, this is a wave spray. Full size is 26. Weightless texturized mist. With some salt that I can't say. So it's like makes like beach waves kind of thing or whatnot. You want to do in the summer, you can use this. I'm not gonna use this because I have curls and I don't need it. So I'll give this to my sister. See if she wants that. So that's all I got my Birchbox. Not bad. Two things I'm not gonna use, but that's not bad. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video, and also before I go, I want to say thank you for more subscribers that are subscribing to my channel. I very appreciate it. I try my best to make wonderful videos and post more and stuff like that. I hope you guys understand. And yeah, I can't wait for September because I have so much fall videos. It's already planned, and I can't wait. So yeah, and here I go. Don't mind, I'm still kind of sick. Anyways, I also was gonna say thank you for 100 and what the hell? I forgot how many subscribers I have, but thank you. And I'm gonna go because this video is kind of long. So bye.